Hey guys, so this case has gotten a lot of use over the years. You can see the stain that's on here, and you can see the zipper piece that's missing right here. I kind of ripped off the handle on it, but that's because I've had this for about 4 years. Considering I've had it for 4 years and I use this almost on the daily in my car, this is doing pretty good. On the inside, it has a nice soft surface, so if you put an iPad in here or something with an open screen, there's less of a risk of damage happening to it. I typically will keep either my iPad or my MacBook in here. You slip it in, and you can see that there's still space in here. It's not too compact, so when you do zipper it up, you don't have to worry about it being too tight in there and squeezing on the screen. This has a lot of flexibility in there, and it has some cushion too, which is awesome. So once again, I've had this for years, and I would highly recommend it to other people. It's really saved my butt a lot of times because I do drop my stuff a lot. So I'd recommend checking this out.